Hello and welcome back. We now discuss an example from the topic derivatives. The question here is differentiate the following function with respect to x, and the function given here is x square plus x plus 1 upon root x. Now we could find the derivative using the quotient rule, that is u by v rule, or we could simplify this and then take the derivative. Let's go by the simplification method. So first of all, we assign a name to this function, say y. So we have let y be equal to x square plus x plus 1 upon root x. Now we split the denominator into 3. So we have x square upon root x, then we have x upon root x, and we have 1 upon root x. Now root x could be replaced by x raised to half. So we have x square upon x raised to half plus x upon x raised to half plus 1 upon x raised to half, right? Because root x is x raised to half. Now using the laws of indices, we could simplify this further. This could be written as x raised to 2 minus half plus x raised to, now here the power is 1, so this will be 1 minus half. We are using this law over here. A raised to m upon a raised to n is a raised to m minus n. And here if we take the reciprocal, this becomes x raised to minus half. So if we simplify, we get x raised to, now 2 is 4, 4 minus 1, that's 3. So we have 3 by 2, x raised to 3 by 2 plus x raised to, now 1 minus half gives half, right? So we have x raised to half, and the last term is x raised to minus half. So we have simplified the function, and now we could take its derivative. So we say differentiating with respect to x, we get dy by dx. Now here we take the derivative of each of these three terms. So we have derivative of x raised to 3 by 2 plus derivative of x raised to half plus derivative of x raised to minus half. And now we apply the rule for derivative of x raised to n, right? So here we get, now we know that derivative of x raised to n is n times x raised to n minus 1. So we have 3 by 2 into x raised to 3 by 2 minus 1 plus half into x raised to half minus 1, and last one would be plus minus half into x raised to minus half minus 1. So we just need to simplify here. So we have 3 by 2 into x raised to, now 2 ones is 2, so 3 minus 2 is 1 upon 2 plus half into x raised to, now half minus 1 is minus half, and this plus into minus, that becomes minus half into x raised to, 2 ones is 2, so minus 1 minus 2 gives us minus 3 by 2. So this is the final value of the derivative.